begin disassembly, bring the bolt to the rear and pull these two sides with your thumbs apart. Push the bolt face out. Let the bolt slide forward off the rails. Take the guide rod spring apart for cleaning and oiling. For reassembly, it's the exact opposite. You take your guide rod and your recoil spring. Take the frame, bolt, guide rod spring goes into there. Slide this back onto the rails. Push the guide rod forward, line up the hole in the back, pull that to the rear, slightly spread those two sides, and put this back in its proper grooves. Fully reassembled.